Hey guys, I want to make a review video on this S&K. This is Professional Tools. This is a 3-piece socket adapter set, and these really come in handy. Got a lot of great uses out of tools like this. So thanks a lot to S&K for sending this out. Like right here, I've got a socket set that this will be very useful on because the other end of it is a bit, tool bit for a drill. So very easy to use on an impact drill. So just like that, we can stick that in, and now we can take a socket and attach it right to our drill, just like this, and we are ready to go. So just like that, now you can, instead of using a slow socket wrench like this, you can attach it to a impact driver or any other type of drill, and you are off. Now, what's great is this comes with a 1/4 inch, also comes with a 3/8 inch. Okay, so there's a 3/8 inch. Let's take this off one-handed and attach that. Great. And then also it has big 1/2 inch drives as well. So if you have big sockets, 1/2 inch drive sockets, you can attach that as well. And now you've got that on the end of a drill to be able to drive. This will drive lug nuts. Or I've got some 1/2 inch sockets right here that are the star bits. Okay, you got some 1/2 inch drive and you want to drive some T45s, maybe lag bolts or screws or something like that. Now we've got it ready for T45s. But let's go back to this 3/8 drive and let's get out a size 17. I'll show you how to drive this lag screw right here. This lag bolt. We've got a lag. Here's a pilot hole. Socket on the end of our drill. So yeah, that works really good. Way faster than using a socket wrench. This would take a long time. 1/4 inch adapter. Put on our socket. And if I want to take this loose right here, good to go. Put it back on. But yeah, great product from S&K, and I like that you get 3 of them. 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. Super awesome product. So if you're looking for a great 3-piece socket set, adapter set, this is the one for you from S&K. I can highly recommend, definitely pick up one of these.